Welcome to the presentation. Today we'll be looking at the fixed asset tracking solution. Organizations, small or large, and whatever industries, they all have fixed asset to manage. Here are some key factors driving the need of fixed asset tracking. You need to consider the solution if you have high-value equipment or audit requirements. The solution can also help you to handle frequent asset movement and prevent theft or loss. The tracking solution from Norming will help you to automate the manual tracking and reduce time in audits. It supports barcode or RFID devices. The solution has both online and offline editions. With the online edition, you can skip the steps in green. You only need 4 steps to finish the whole process. Step 1. Define the barcode information in the system. Step 2. Print the barcode labels and attach them to the fixed assets. Step 3. Scan the barcodes and the scan result will be automatically generated in the Sage 300. Then you can easily get the audit report for the asset tracking. Now let's go to a live demo and see how it works. We need to create the barcodes in the asset management in Sage 300. You can go to the asset management options to set up the barcode segments. The barcode ID will be auto-generated in your acquisition entries. On the right side of the window, you can default asset physical status. You have 4 status in default: missing, normal, disposed, and damaged, and you can have to up 7 status in the system. When you start a new scanning process, all assets will be default as missing, and they will be changed to normal after being scanned. The barcode ID can be manually entered or imported through the asset register. You can go to Asset Register Unit tabs to maintain the barcode IDs, and you can have multiple barcode IDs for one asset. For example, a personal computer, you can have 2 separate IDs for the screen and for the system unit. After the barcode been generated, you can print the barcode tags within the system. You can print the labels from the asset tracking module. You can choose to print in the barcode or in the QR code format. QR code is recommended because it can be scanned faster than the barcode. Now you just need to attach the labels to all your fixed assets, like machines, equipment, or your furniture. Norming asset tracking allows you to scan the labels through the barcode RFID readers or through the mobile devices. Scan with mobile devices is more cost-effective. You just need to download and install the mobile app on your iPhone or your Android phones. Click the app into the login screen. Make sure you have network connectivity to your Sage 300 server. The user will be able to access the fixed asset information. If you have multiple Sage 300 companies, you can choose the fixed asset in which company you would like to scan. The app allows you to scan by asset locations or by asset categories. So you can choose to scan, for example, only the IT equipment. If you choose to scan by locations, the app will list all the asset locations in your Sage 300 system. In this demo, we have 2 locations, HK and Singapore. After you click into the HK location, you will find the numbers at the top of the screen. Book means the number of fixed assets you have with this location in your asset management module. So now you have 3 fixed assets with HK location and none of them been scanned. You can click into the number to see the asset details. Booked, scanned, unscanned. Now let's go back to check the assets in the other location. Now click into the second location. There is only one asset under this location. It's an iPad. It's shown as unscanned. Now let's click the Scan button at the right bottom corner of the screen. Then you can use the smart device's camera for the scanning. After the barcode been successfully scanned, the ID and asset description will appear on the mobile app. It's shown as normal status. You can click on it and change it to another user-defined status. You can also specify a person who is currently responsible for this iPad. If you have additional comments or notes for this iPad to be added for audit purpose, you can enter them through the mobile app, and the comments or notes will appear on your audit report. Now check the number at the top. You got one scanned asset. That's the iPad. It disappeared from the unscanned list. Now let's try to scan another asset that was not originally from this location. Click Scan button. Scan the barcode. An asset information will appear on the mobile app. You will notice a notification under the barcode in the red color. It says the asset is transferred from another location to the current location. You can add notes for more detailed explanation. Now let's check the scanned assets. We have two assets under this location. One matched location. Another is from a different location. If you have huge amount of assets in one location, you can use the filter to easily get the asset by different user-defined status. With the filter, you can check out assets from a different location, or the assets have never been registered in the system. After you finish the scanning for this location, you can click the Submit button at the right top corner. If you are running the online edition of the mobile app, the scanning result can be auto-uploaded to the Sage 300. Now, I already submit the scanning result from the mobile app. Let's check the asset tracking badge generated in the Sage 300. The badge will be generated by locations. So we have two assets being scanned under this location. You can find the original location and the current location after scanning. And the comments added through the mobile app will be shown in the last column. On the Statistics tab, you will get the scanning summary information. For example, you can get the total number of the fixed assets that are missing or damaged. You can also get the numbers for assets transferred from another location. Click the Print button. You will get the audit report for your asset tracking. In this report, you will have the scanning information, like the scanning date and scanning person, what the location, and the asset details. The report is customizable, so you can add more fields or information as you require. After you post the tracking badge, it automates the location adjustments. If you have any assets been transferred from a different location, the system prompts you whether you would like to create adjustment badge for the location changes. Click Yes, then you will have adjustment entries generated in the Asset Management module. Go to Asset Management, Asset Accounting, and you will find the adjustment badge. Let's check the location before the adjustment. The location is CSG04. With the adjustment entry generated based on the scanning result, the location will be updated to FSG04.